The OXO Tot Bottle Brush is a reliable and efficient tool that every household should consider investing in. With its sleek design and practical features, this bottle brush stands out among its competitors. One of the key features of the OXO Tot Bottle Brush is its durable construction. Made by the renowned brand OXO, this brush is built to last. The handle, made of sturdy plastic, ensures a comfortable grip and allows for easy maneuverability. This is particularly important when cleaning bottles, where a firm grip is necessary to reach all the nooks and crannies. Furthermore, the OXO Tot Bottle Brush is designed in a subtle gray color, which adds a touch of elegance to its appearance. This understated color ensures that it can seamlessly blend with any kitchen decor. Whether you have a modern or traditional kitchen, this bottle brush will fit right in. In terms of functionality, the OXO Tot Bottle Brush truly shines. It is specifically designed for cleaning bottles,